Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about the history of Austria. Before starting this, I want to request you to subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, do comment, and at the end if you like the video press the like button too. Let's start the video history of Austria. The history of Austria covers the history of Austria and its predecessors states from the early Stone Age of the present state. The name Austria has been in use since 996 AD when it was a margravate of the Duchy of Bavaria and from 1156 an independent duchy, later archduchy of the Holy Roman Empire of the German nation. Helix Romistex reached 962 to 1806. This was from another language, this word was, so don't worry. Austria was dominated by the House of Habsburg and House of Habsburg-Lorraine from 1273 to 1918. In 1806, when Emperor Francis II of Austria dissolved the Holy Roman Empire, Austria became the Austrian Empire and was also part of the German Confederation until the Austro-Prussian War of 1866. In 1867, Austria formed a dual monarchy with Hungary, the Austro-Hungarian Empire 1867 to 1918. When its empire collapsed after the end of the World War I in 1918, Austria was reduced to the main, mostly German-speaking areas of the empire, its current frontiers, and adopted the name the Republic of German Austria. However, union with Germany and the chosen country name were forbidden by the Allies at the Treaty of Versailles, or we can say Versailles. That led to the creation of the first Austrian Republic, which started from 1919 and ended at 1933. Following the First Republic, Austro-Fascism tried to keep Austria independent from the German reach. Engelbert Dollfuss accepted that most Austrians were German and Austrian, but wanted Austria to remain independent from Germany. It means they accepted but they demanded. In 1938, Austrian-born Adolf Hitler annexed Austria to the German Reich with the Anschluss, which was supported by a large majority of the Austrian people. And 10 years after the Second World War, Austria again became an independent republic as the Second Austrian Republic in 1955. Austria joined the European Union in 1995. So here I told you about the history of Austria, how it comes on this earth, how it became a country, and how they faced difficulties and how they tried their best. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share it with your friends, do comment, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon too for more videos and their updates. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.